Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dogami token. Ticker symbol is DOGA. I guess you could pronounce this token Dogami or the Doga or Doja token. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing November 27th on a very big central exchange with over 6 million users. We're going to go over the information on the Dogami token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Right now they have 349 holders according to their Polygon scan. Price is about 4 cents per token. Fully diluted market cap is $37,235,000 and a circulating supply market cap of a little bit over $12.8 million. There is 5 decimal places on this token, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting November 27th, 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DOGA, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find their Twitter in the corner of the screen over there. 95,900 Twitter followers at Dogami on Twitter. They have a web page at it's just dogami.com. Over there you can find a full white paper. It says how to play. You can click on that. You can log in, create an account. It says buy stars. So that seems to be like an in-game type of currency. And then they have buy Doga tokens right there. So all that's on their webpage. If you want to just skip to their white paper with all the information, just go to whitepaper.dogami.com. They also have a Discord group you can join to join the conversation over there. So all sorts of cool links all over the place. So Dogami is an entertainment 3.0 company backed by renowned names in both the gaming and blockchain industry. Launched in 2021, Dogami became the biggest NFT-enabled gaming project on the Tezos blockchain. Having completed a seed round extension in November 2022, led by European investor Tech Zanj, Dogami raised $14 million in total to fuel its mass market ambition. Moving into 2023, Dogami is dedicated to building an NFT-based experience for the increasing number of Dogamers, and that is what they use to describe their community members. Our goal is to establish a lifelong and rewarding connection between users and their virtual companions through accessible experiences exclusive to Dogami holders. Dogami's experiences are unlocked by Dogami's NFTs, mystical 3D dog avatars imbued with spiritual powers. They act as a key, and you can train them and unlock their full potential. You can have a new level of interactivity, ownership, and value. To date, over 24,000 NFTs have been issued in 2 in-house years of selling out in just a few hours. Dogami Academy, a new multiplayer management racing game, will be available for holders November 7th. So you'll be able to race your Dogamis. The game is part of a multiple component Dogami ecosystem, powered by blockchain, of course. And you can improve your dog's abilities, your NFT's abilities with the Doga token. So that's one utility of this token. A lot of the GameFi tokens are on the Polygon blockchain. I've noticed throughout the year here, or throughout the years of GameFi and blockchain, a lot of these games use Polygon. Low fees on Polygon, that's one big reason. Some games use Binance Smart Chain. I was playing one of them Vera games yesterday. It was pretty low budget though. Not many good things to say about that game, but I digress. And so yeah, they have the Dogami ecosystem. So it says, much like Pokemon, a company that was able to capture the initial gaming audience and develop a cross-media franchise, Dogami is developing a brand and IP that will instantly be recognizable by people in the near future, even by non-gamers. As Dogami continues to expand and develop, NFT holders will become an integral part of these extensions and investor ambassadors of the brand. So they're going to have the games, they're going to have comic books, metaverse stuff, toys, music, fashion, film. Consumers will have the opportunity to enjoy the Dogami franchise both digitally and physical. So they have just tons of stuff basically involved in this whole ecosystem. You can read about the Dogami Passport NFTs on their white paper. They have other NFT section as well. They have the Dogami Academy, the marketplace where you could buy and sell and trade NFTs. The Doga comics, Doga staking, so you could stake your tokens to acquire more tokens. They have merch, breeding. They have the Doga Council, so that's kind of like a DAO, I guess. Team advisors and investors section. They have a roadmap on here. We went over most of the tokenomics already, but we'll see some more in a second. So basically they came out with the Dogami Academy Early Access, Central Exchange and Decentralized Exchange listings. Then they're going to have the free-to-play version of the game come out in Q1 next year. And then a new experience in Sandbox. So Sandbox is like a metaverse company. New secret features, and then Academy tutorial, and then more to come after that. But let's see what they say about the token here. So the tokenomics, they probably have allocation on here. So this is basically the native token, the utility token of the ecosystem. It's got multi-utilities. You can use it obviously for all sorts of things here. Digital vouchers, staking, governance features, merch drop vouchers. It's the in-game soft currency. You can use it for training your dogs, fees and rewards, purchasing in-game items, powers the game economy, mobile store compliance. So it's cross-chain basically. You can find it listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, but it's Ethereum, Tezos, Matic. And you can find all the contracts on their page, on their white paper, if you want to find all the different contracts. Lastly, let's go over the allocation here. So 15% of the tokens went to private sale, 4.5% strategic investors, 10.6% co-founders, 3.4% advisors and partners, 16% staking rewards, 24% play to earn, 19.5% ecosystem liquidity and development reserve, 7% airdrops and promotions. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.